Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the high beams on the BMW F30 3 Series. So this is a sponsored video. Thank you Oxito for sending these bulbs out to me. So these are the high beam lights. Make sure you get a fan one, otherwise they won't be bright. So these are the ones with fans, as you can see. These come with the LED code decoders as well. They're called CAN bus resistors. So it won't flicker and it won't give any error codes. And they're built right in, so it should be quite easy. And they're about the same size as the normal halogen, just a tiny bit longer. So we should be alright for space. Let's go ahead and go to the car, fit this in. Let's first pop your bonnet. And then your high beam is this one here. The inner ones are the high beams, and the low beams are this one. First you're going to take this off, twist it and pull it off. Okay, so your high beam will be the first one at the top, which is this big one here. So they should just pop out by hand. Sometimes they get stuck in, but may need a screwdriver a bit. Push it in. There's 3 tabs, I believe. Push it in. Yep, I think I might need a screwdriver for this one. Let me have a look. Yeah, I don't want to break it. So couldn't held him by 3 clips, so see what we can do. Have a good chance. Okay guys, I've gone to this side and this side comes straight out. Look, literally pull it out. That's how it should be. You should just pull it out. This side is stuck, as you can see. So this side, when you pull it out, the bulb is there, you just pull it. Literally just pull it out. Just wiggle it out the connector. There you go. Keep these old bulbs somewhere. And the positive negative on there. It is. No, there isn't. It shouldn't matter anyway. We just twist it around if you don't want. The bulbs. Plug this in. So actually you want to plug this in last. So with this headlight there's a notch there, you want to line up straight forward like that and then push it in. So we're going to leave this wire out for a bit. We're going to do that wire last. We're going to put this in first. It is a bit tight, but once you get it in, should be alright. Don't want to drop the whole bulb in there. There you go. I don't know why he's in there. One second. I have to move some of these wires. Move these wires down. One second. That is tight. There you go. So once you hit that click in place, it's in place, yeah. And then what you can do this, plug in. Which side said positive, negative, this side. Okay. So once you hit that click, it's in place, right? So the bulb's sat there. Make sure it's straight up. Is it straight up? Yeah, it's straight up. So have a look here. As you can see, the board is facing straight up, so the beam is going to be very good. It's going to be a nice straight cut beam. Okay, you stay there. I'm going to turn the high beams on. Yeah, that's the high beams. They're very bright, very bright. Literally it's daytime, and look how much is lighting up in the daytime, guys. So that's the high beam, very bright. These are the old ones. Oh, my right side, the high beam's not even working. It's not plugged in, that's why. So yeah, there's your high beams. We've got no error codes either, so that's good. So I'm just going to try and figure out how to do the left side now. Then I'll show you with both lights on. Hi guys, I've done it now. My bad. So what I did is push these tabs in, or if you can't, just take the plug off and then wiggle the back of the halogen out, and it should actually just pop out. And it popped out of place, so I'm going to pop in the new one now. Same procedure. Pop the light in first. This side's not that many wires here, whereas that side had loads of wires. This one's in cable tied in place, that's why. So this one should be easier to put in. So you just put the bulb in first, straight up, and then click in place. You'll hear a click. So I'll just let my Buddha take over. Okay. Straight up like this. Make sure the thing is at the top. Put all these wires out of the way because we don't need them at the moment. The main thing we need is to be able to put this bulb in actually. So let's go ahead, straight up. Make sure it's in there first. Yep. Straight up. And I heard the click as well so before, so back on. Positive, negative. There you go. So positives on the left, negatives on the right, and these literally just fit in there. Put this to the side, or just leave it hanging, it doesn't really matter. Just a little box. The covers back on. I'll make sure these line up, otherwise you're going to break your thing in a bit. There you go. Should open again. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, perfect. Now let me put the high beam in there. Hopefully the car stops. Alright guys, this is the beam cutoff. As you can see, that is almost perfect line, guys. You just got that one triangle there, which is minor, but the rest of it is pretty much straight line. So that's a very good beam cutoff. So that's your daytime running lights. Oh no, that is the daytime running light. They are very dim. That's your parking lights, very dim as well. Normal headlights. You can lower them and higher them. Let me show you that. So I can lower it further if I want by hand. And then I'll show you the high beams. These are mental, guys. Oi, oi, oi. Extremely bright. So yeah. Thank you, Oxito. Thank you, Light Tech. You guys are the best. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. Without this car would not be built, guys. These LEDs, these lights, they're very bright. They're very powerful. And yeah, I've got no complaints at all, guys.
and then one caramel one, please.
What cookies and cream and what?
Did it? Yeah. That's it. High beams. Okay. And then high beams. Oh, okay. Now guys, thank you Xito for sponsoring this video. As you can see, the LED lights are very bright. 100 times better. Go ahead and buy them. I'll put a link in the description. See you guys next time. Goodbye.